Hi, I'm Kyle from Brownsafe. In this video, we will take you through the newly installed Vault Door checklist to ensure the inner escape device is reset. The Vault Door used in this video has a dial and keypad entry. However, the steps apply to any Vault Door as all Brownsafe Vault Doors have the inner escape device as standard. We will be demonstrating the entry using the keypad, but if you have a dial-only entry, please see our How to Open a Dial Combination Lock Safe video. It's common after the Vault Door has been installed that the inner escape device will be in the active position, meaning the handle can turn freely and thus extend and retract the bolts without the code or combination being entered. This is to allow free entry through the door for anyone who needs access but who will not be given codes or combinations. For example, contractors or decorators working on the inside of the vault. To test if the escape device is active, with the door closed and the handle in the down position, turn the dial through a full rotation counterclockwise and try the handle. If the handle turns, the inner escape device is active. Please follow the steps in the video to reset the device and secure the door. If the handle does not turn, then the door is secure and ready for use. After installation of the door is completed and you are ready to secure the room by resetting the inner escape device, please follow these steps. Turn the handle on the door to retract the bolts. Pull the door open. It's heavy, so please be careful. Locate the inner escape device housing on the inside of the door and open the panel by turning the latch. Turn the handle on the inside of the door to point down. You will see the bolt move into the housing and the notch come into line with the flap. Pull the red flap away from the edge to cover the notch on the sliding bolt. Test the handle. Try to turn it. It should be locked. Keep the door open and at a safe distance away from the jamb. If the door closes with the bolts extended, you can cause damage to the paint on the outer frame. On the keypad, please test your 6-digit code that was supplied with the door. On the last key press, the unit should beep twice and the LED will flash twice to indicate the correct code has been entered. Immediately turn the dial clockwise until it comes to a stop. If you hear 3 beeps, try this step again, as the code entered was incorrect. If you still hear 3 beeps and are sure you have entered the code correctly, please give us a call. As long as you rotate the dial within 4 seconds of the correct code being entered, there is no time limit on how long you have to turn the handle and retract the bolts. The handle should now turn. With the bolts retracted, go to the inside of the door and close the inner escape device panel. Return to the outer side of the door. Close the vault door and turn the handle back to the position where it points down again, locking the bolts in place. Important! You must spin the dial to lock the door. Turn the dial through a full rotation counterclockwise to reset the dial lock. If you do not spin the dial, the vault door will unlock with the turn of the handle.
We hope this video helped in setting up the features of your new vault door. If you have any concerns or would like to know more, we are here to help. Feel free to give us a call. We have other videos covering the use of dial locks, keypad, and biometric entry methods, so please check out our other videos for more information and instructions on using these features. Remember to subscribe for more information on the use and operation of Brownsafe products. Thanks for watching.